Hey guys, what up? Total Control 871. It is a rainy, dreary day out there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Rainy, dreary day. And it's a shit day. But that did not stop me from getting in my miles. Did you get your miles in today? I got mine in. 33.82. And I set fire to 3,165 calories. There you go. Alright guys. Court is tomorrow. I stopped by the bike shop and I talked with the guys today. Yeah, I like being at the bike shop, you know. The guys, they really made me feel good, you know. They really understand of what's going on, and you know, what can I say? We're gonna see what happens tomorrow in court. All right. Total Control 871. Get your miles.